Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll talk about handling holidays and events, how to enjoy special occasions without losing progress on your meal planning goals. Holidays, parties, and family gatherings are meant to be enjoyed, but with a few smart strategies, you can stay balanced and confident throughout the season. Let's start with the right mindset. One meal or one day won't undo your hard work. The key is consistency before and after the event, not perfection during it. Step 1. Plan ahead. Look at your calendar and anticipate events where food will play a big role. Decide ahead of time how you'll approach each occasion. Will you enjoy a treat meal or focus on moderation? Having a plan makes decisions easier in the moment. Step 2. Eat normally beforehand. Skipping meals to save calories often leads to overeating later. Instead, have a balanced breakfast and lunch with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. This keeps your hunger stable and helps you make mindful choices when the celebrations begin. Step 3. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can feel like hunger and lead to unnecessary snacking. Drink water throughout the day and alternate alcoholic beverages with water during events. Step 4. Survey your options before filling your plate. At buffets or family gatherings, look at all the choices first, then prioritize what you really want. Fill most of your plate with lean proteins and veggies, then add small portions of your favorite indulgent dishes. Step 5. Practice portion control. You don't have to say no to dessert or special foods, just enjoy them mindfully. Savor each bite and stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed. Step 6. Don't stand near the food table. Socialize away from the buffet to avoid mindless munching. Focus on conversation, not constant grazing. Step 7. Bring a healthy dish if you can. If you're attending a potluck, bring something nourishing that fits your plan, like a colorful salad or roasted vegetable dish. That way, you know there's at least one balanced option available. Step 8. Watch liquid calories. Alcohol, sugary punches, and creamy drinks add up quickly. Choose lighter options like wine, clear cocktails with soda water, or simply enjoy one drink and then switch to water. Step 9. Stay active. Go for a morning walk, dance at the event, or plan a light workout the next day. Movement helps balance out extra calories and boosts your mood. Step 10. Handle social pressure gracefully. If someone insists you try their dish, simply take a small portion and compliment them. No need to overindulge out of politeness. Step 11. Set intentions, not restrictions. Instead of thinking, I can't have that, try, I'll enjoy a little and move on. A positive mindset makes healthy choices feel empowering, not limiting. Step 12. Enjoy the experience. Holidays are about connection, not calories. Be present with family and friends. That's what truly nourishes you. Step 13. Get back to your routine afterward. Don't punish yourself or try to make up for what you ate. Just return to your regular meal plan and hydration. Consistency is what matters most. Step 14. Reflect on what worked. After the event, think about how you felt and what you might do differently next time. Each occasion is a chance to learn and strengthen your habits. Step 15. Celebrate progress. The fact that you're thinking ahead and planning for balance is a huge win. Meal planning is about flexibility for real life, and that includes holidays. Here's your quick recap. Plan ahead, stay hydrated, practice portion control, and enjoy yourself without guilt. With awareness and balance, you can celebrate fully while staying aligned with your goals. In the next lesson, we'll discuss how to stay consistent long-term, making meal planning a natural, sustainable part of your lifestyle. Let's keep building healthy habits that last all year round.